In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to clear your browsing history on Google Chrome. Clearing your history can help protect your privacy by removing record of sites you visited. Let's get started. To begin, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. Hover over History and click on History in the drop-down menu. This will open up your history page, which shows all the websites you've visited recently. Now to clear it, at the top click on Clear Browsing Data. A pop-up will appear. Make sure the box next to Browsing History is checked. Then you can choose the time frame for how far back you want to delete history using the drop-down menu. Common options are the last hour, last day, or all time. Once you've selected the time frame, click the blue Clear Data button at the bottom. Chrome will immediately delete all the browsing history within that time frame. It's quick and easy. And that's it. Going forward, your internet activity will no longer be saved in your history. Keep in mind this doesn't affect your bookmarks, downloads, or saved passwords. You can also disable history recording entirely by clicking the 3 dots, Settings, Privacy, and Security, and turning off browsing history. Thanks for watching. With these steps, you can easily clear your browsing data on Chrome and protect your privacy. Let me know if you have any other questions.